I'm gonna need a light. No, I'll just break some stick off.
Break some of that stick off.
Well, I need a lighter if I don't.
Put your arm up there.
What's gonna happen?
It's lit.
It's okay. Michael's a firefighter.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes.
As Michael runs too.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit! Dog.
I got all that. I got all that.